Here is a video tutorial on how to remove fuel filter on BMW X3 F25, 2014 to 2017, in 9 easy steps. Tools and parts required: 8mm and 13mm socket, clip removal tool, ratchet, Phillips or flat blade screwdriver, fuel filter. 1. Lift the car using a car jack or a car lift and then remove the plastic shield under the fuel tank using an 8mm socket and a clip removal tool. 2. Remove the retaining clip from the fuel filter using a flat blade screwdriver. 3. Loose the clamp from the hose and then remove the hose from the fuel filter. 4. Use a container to collect the fuel that will flow from the hose and the filter. 4. Remove the bolt from the plastic holder using a 13mm socket. 5. Remove the fuel filter and then take out the plastic holder from it. 6. Here we have the new MAW fuel filter that you can find below in the video description. 6. Remove the plastic cap from the new filter and install the rubber part. 7. Install the new fuel filter and then put the retaining clip back on the filter. 8. Reinstall the hose and install the plastic holder. 9. Tighten the hose clamp and install the plastic shield. If you have any other suggestions for new BMW video tutorials, write to us in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.